wait for the start of the ISA Boys and Girls Championships 2025, not just to see the battle amongst Kingston College, Calabar, and Jamaica College for the title honors on the boys' side, or to see if Edwin Allen can hold off a resurgent Homo Technical and Hydel and St. Jago. But there is definitely an added element of anticipation around that revamped, refurbished, or recolored track. Most fans are already picturing in their minds the young quarter-milers sailing down the back stretch, or the speed merchants blazing down the 100-meter straight, or the 4x1 relay changes slicing through that yellow zone. Of course, with the spanking new look at the track, the biggest question continues to be, how will it run? Will it be faster? Or will it, as one theory goes, be slower? All these questions will, of course, be answered as the drama unfolds in the coming week, when all of our interests will peak.